matigas pa rin ang Diocese ng Bacolod. Hindi raw nila tatanggalin ang tarpaulin ng Team Buhay at Team Patay. Kahit pa mismong si COMELEC Chairman Sixto Brillantes ang nagpapabaklas nito dahil sa maling sukat. Hindi raw kasi ito campaign poster kundi paraan lang ng pagpapahayag ng simbahan. May report si Tina Panganiban Perez.
Tanggalin nyo yan.
Ang pinatatanggal ni COMELEC Chairman Sixto Brillantes, itong higanteng poster ng Diocese ng Bacolod na Team Buhay at Team Patay tungkol sa mga kandidatong sumuporta at kumontra sa RH Law. Dahil lagpas na tamang sukat para sa election poster na 2 feet by 3 feet, pinutol ito. Pero oversized pa rin daw, sabi ng COMELEC.
Kung hindi nyo tatanggalin, charge na namin kayo. Nakakahiya naman. Wala naman privileges just because you belong to the Catholic Church or what.
Pero ayon sa legal counsel ng diocese na si Attorney Ralph Sarmiento, hindi illegal ang kanilang ipinasigil na poster dahil hindi naman ito campaign poster kundi paraan lamang ng paghahayag ng simbahan.
It's part therefore of religious freedom on the part of the church. We cannot allow the state to intrude into or to interfere into the affairs of the state. More so that this is a church property, it's a private property.
You're campaigning for or against any candidate. That is campaigning. If you put up a poster which is beyond the limit provided for, yung size, that is illegal campaigning. Any person, if everybody will say, hindi namin muna tatanggalin, gantin yung sinasabi kong, ano ito, this is just an expression of the freedom of, freedom of what speech or what, hindi wala na kami mahuhuli.
Tila magmamatigas sa isyu ang Bacolod Diocese.
The bishop is, in his own diocese, the supreme authority, and nobody can dictate on him.
Tina Panganiban Perez, GMA News.